students, in today's class in aldehyde ketones we'll discuss about the addition of ammonia and its derivative. Okay, so in previous class already we discussed about the nucleophilic addition reaction. So in this class we'll discuss the addition of ammonia and its derivative. So how this ammonia and its derivative will react with aldehyde as well as ketone, and what product we get, just we'll see here. So I have taken one general example of ketone RC double bond O R dash. Okay, RC double bond O R dash plus NH2Z. Okay, Z it is a common term I am using here. Okay, so NH2 is amine group. So here Z stand for. So Z I am using for any alkyl group, any aryl group, or hydroxy group, or amine group, or C6H5NH. Instead of all those things, here I am using one common term, that is a Z, NH2Z. So when instead of this Z, if you take the NH2, then we can say it is what? Hydrazine. Instead of this Z, if you take the OH group, then we can say it is a hydroxyl amine, like this. Okay, so here I am using one common term Z. So this is what general example of ketone reacts with NH2Z. What we will get here, just see students, in this addition reaction, water molecule will remove like this. The bond is breaking from here, this two hydrogen and this one oxygen. This H2 and this O, H2 will remove, and this N will attach, NHZ. Okay, so here double bond remain as it is, R single bond R dash, double bond N Z, and water molecule will remove. So this is the general reaction, students. Now we will see one reaction first. First reaction, addition of hydrazine. So hydrazine is nothing but NH2 single bond NH2. That is why two amine group is joined. We can see it is a hydrazine. So when this hydrazine reacts with acetone. Okay. So here I am taking the example of acetone, CS3 C double bond O CS3. This is the example of acetone. This is acetone. When this hydrazine NH2, see the structure of hydrazine. NH2, two amine group is there, single bond, again NH2. Okay, this is what? Hydrazine. So this reaction will carry in presence of acidic condition. So what happens to now? Here also water molecule will remove. So the bond will be breaking from here like this. This oxygen and this two hydrogen. H2 will remove like this, and this NH2 group going to be attached to this carbonyl carbon like this. So simply here we get this CS3 as it is, then this carbon CS3 as it is, then now double bond remain as it is, this NH2 will attach, NH2, and water molecule will remove. So we can see it is a acetone hydrazone, acetone hydrazone. All of you clear? So how this hydrazone reacts with acetone? Same reaction we can carry in presence of acetaldehyde also. Instead of the CS3, if you remove the CS3 and just you put the H, okay, then it is a acetaldehyde. Here also in product, if you remove the CS3 and here you put the H, okay, we can say it is acetaldehyde hydrazone. Now clear, students, how this reaction takes place? See the another reaction, addition of hydroxyl amine. Hydroxyl amine NH2OH. What is the formula of hydroxyl amine? NH2OH. So what happens? This hydroxyl amine reacts with aldehyde as well as ketone. So here I have taken the example of aldehyde, CH3 C double bond OH. Okay, CH3 C double bond OH. This is what? Acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. You can take the ketone also. Instead of this H, you can use here CH3. Then you can see it is a acetone. Now clear, students? So hydroxyl amine structure is what? NH2 single bond OH. This is hydroxyl amine. Same reaction takes place. The water molecule will remove like this. This oxygen, the bond is breaking from here, and this two hydrogen, like this H2 will remove, and this NOH group attached to this carbon, and here we get this structure, CS3C double bond NOH, water molecule will remove, and we can say it is a acetaldehyde oxime. Okay, if common term is there, we can say it is only oxime. So instead of this acetaldehyde, you can use here acetone also. If you remove this hydrogen, and here you can take the CS3 group. CS3 C double bond O CS3, then it is acetone. So what we will get here? Acetone oxime. Now clear, students? See another reaction. This is very important reaction, students. Synthesis of 2,4-DNP. 2,4-DNP. DNP stands for dinitrophenylhydrazine. What is the DNP? Dinitrophenylhydrazine, or we can see it is a Brady's reagents. This is a Brady's reagent. So this is very important for NEET as well as JEE exams. Students, just see here. I am taking the example of acetaldehyde, or you can take the acetone also. We can use aldehyde as well as ketone. So how DNP will produce? Very simple synthesis. If you react the aldehyde as well as ketone with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine in acidic condition, we will get the 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone, or we can say the 2,4-DNP is nothing but Brady's reagent, and this is very important reagent. It is used to characterize of the aldehyde as well as ketones. See the reaction how Brady's reagent will get. So first of all, you can take the acetaldehyde, or you can take here ketone also. Okay, anyone you will take. Then here I am drawing the structure of 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. How this is structured? See, this is a benzene ring. Okay, all of you see, this is benzene, and in that benzene, NH group means this is what hydrazine. Hydrazine structure you know already we discussed here. NH2 single bond, NH2 is nothing but hydrazine. In that hydrazine, one hydrogen is replaced by here. From this benzene, hydrogen is replaced by NH2. This is the hydrazine actually. Okay, this is the first carbon, this is the second, third, fourth. Okay, on second and fourth carbon, you can substitute the NO2 group, that means nitro group. So you can see this is a 2,4-dinitrophenyl. 2,4, this is the second carbon, this is the fourth carbon, means 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. NH2, NH is nothing but what? It is a derivative. We can see it is a hydrazine. When this reaction will carry, very simple reaction student. So what happens when acetaldehyde reacts with this 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine, the water molecule is loose like this, the bond is breaking from here like this, these two hydrogen and this one oxygen, H2 will remove, and this whole group going to be attached to this carbonyl group. And double bond remain as it is, this CH3 as it is, see here, CH3CH double bond, and then this NH group, NH, and remaining benzene ring as it is, which containing the NO2 group, and in this case water molecule will remove. So we can say it is what? Acetaldehyde 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. So student, this is very important reagent. 2,4, we can see it is a 2,4-DNP. DNP stands for dinitrophenylhydrazine, or we can see it is a Brady's reagent. When you get this product, it is a yellow, orange or red color compounds, and it is used to characterize of aldehyde as well as ketones. So students, in next class we will discuss the another method of reactions in a aldehyde as well as ketone. So thank you.